When it comes to shared hosting, Bluehost and HostGator are two of the biggest players out there, but which one has the better features for your website? Today, we're diving deep into a comparison to help you make the right choice for your hosting needs. But stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a better alternative that might surprise you. Let's start by talking about uptime. Both Bluehost and HostGator claim to offer 99.9% uptime, which is standard in the industry. However, after testing both services, I found that Bluehost has a slight edge here. It's consistently performed a little better in uptime reliability, with fewer outages over the past year compared to HostGator. This can make a big difference if you're looking for a stable hosting solution for your website's performance. Next thing, let's talk about speed. Bluehost and HostGator both deliver fast loading times, but here's the catch. Bluehost offers an integrated CDN, content delivery network, with some of its plans. This can significantly boost site speed, especially for global visitors. HostGator, on the other hand, doesn't include a CDN unless you opt for the more expensive plans. So if speed is a key factor for your site, Bluehost might be the better option here, thanks to that built-in CDN. The third thing to consider is ease of use. Both Bluehost and HostGator offer easy-to-navigate dashboards with cPanel integration, which is a plus if you're not technically savvy. However, Bluehost takes it a step further with its custom interface and enhanced setup process, making it even more beginner-friendly. HostGator's interface is simple, but it's a bit more basic. If you're just starting out, Bluehost might feel more intuitive. Moving on to the next point, pricing. Bluehost typically offers lower starting prices for their shared hosting plans, which may seem like a great deal at first glance. But the renewal rates are something to watch out for with both hosts. HostGator's renewal prices tend to be a bit more aggressive, but Bluehost is no stranger to increasing rates either. So, while both can be affordable initially, make sure you're prepared for the price hike down the road. Now, let's talk about customer support. Bluehost and HostGator both offer 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email. However, HostGator has a bit more extensive customer service options, including a knowledge base that's surprisingly helpful. Bluehost does a great job overall, but if you need more in-depth troubleshooting, HostGator's support could provide a bit more in terms of resources. And here's something I think is crucial: security. Both Bluehost and HostGator provide essential security features like SSL certificates and DDoS protection, but I've found Bluehost offers a more robust suite of security tools right out of the box. If you're worried about security risks or running an e-commerce site, Bluehost may give you more peace of mind. Finally, here's the part you're probably wondering about: what's the better option? Well, while both Bluehost and HostGator have their strengths, I've personally found that for a better, more reliable hosting experience, you might want to check out a different platform. After trying all of these myself, I recommend giving the first link in the description a click for a free trial and exclusive benefits you can't get anywhere else. This platform not only offers better shared hosting features, but also delivers premium performance that takes your site to the next level. So, if you want to go beyond the typical features of Bluehost versus HostGator, make sure to check out that free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best offer and some great bonuses available only to our viewers.